what's the benefit of getting a 2-year program that will, bakit kailangan 2 years? Ito lang yung gusto ko, either or, at saka mahal. So, bakit ko kailangan 2 years?
Ayan, lulunok muna ako, no?
May ito.
Ganito pala talaga pag mukbang. Yan. So, bakit 2 years? Kasi number 1 yung PGWP eligibility. For most Filipino, kahit sabihin natin na 2 years sila magbabayad ng tuition fee, they would still opt to take a 2-year program kasi ang eligibility niya for PGWP is 3 years. So, yun. And then, mas intense po kasi yung study pagka 2-year program siya. So, imagine for the medical assistant and patient care, 4 na beses silang magpa-practicum.
4 na beses na practicum?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So wait, itong practicum ba na to, sila mismo yung hahanap or tutulungan ba sila ng school?
Okay, good question, Miss Kat. So, yung practicum or work integrated learning at MITT ay si MITT po mismo yung magko-connect sa kanila sa employer. So, they would be fully supported dun sa sa practicum nila. So, hindi na nila, kung wala silang mahanap, may tutulungan sila ng MITT.